it's so huge. Let's see. It's actually delicious. How sweet. And you have a limited amount of time. Okay, take it. Awesome, thank you.
Nice.
Let's try it. Wow, it's actually as delicious as Anne described it to be. Wednesday, let's think of something. Well, having a spa day is awesome. Playing Uno? Wednesday, look at Enid. She got to the bed.
Hey.
What? What's wrong, Anne? Oh no! It's a bat! I almost ate it! Oh, the lollipop broke! And the bat is alive? Ah!
Oh my.
I'm free. I was trapped in a lollipop.
Oh.
Ooh. Do you want some? No, thanks.